Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about aligning items within the individual cells of CSS grid and aligning the grid itself. So here's our setup. We have a wrapper, the div called container, and in there is 4 items. They each have an item class and then an individual class for each individual item. And it looks like this. We have a reset of margin, box size. We've made the text a little bigger and pushed everything in from the side and made it into a square like this with the aspect ratio. First thing we're going to look at is the justify items. We'll set that to stretch for now, and align items. And we'll also set that to stretch. If I reload, nothing happens because stretch is the default. So to see what's happening a little better, I'm going to grab this and open it up in Firefox. And then I will close this over here. And then we'll on our grid. Okay. So the justify items is the x-axis, so we can say left, and that will collapse the left part of the box to match the content. So if I add more content, the box will grow. And then we can also, of course, go right and center. And then the align items controls the y-axis. And instead of top and bottom, this always trips me out. It is start is the top, end is the bottom, and center is the middle. Okay, so we can also control items on a cell-by-cell basis. So if I make a new class, item -4, I can add the justify self to control the left and right alignment, and the align self to control the top and bottom alignment. Right, so we can have one of these or all of them be unique if we want. Okay, so then the last thing, I'm gonna turn this off for now. Is the align content and justify content. So if I put this in here, I have them both set to center, but nothing's happening. And that's because these parameters control the placement of the grid within the parent container. So if I make this a little smaller, like 100 pixels, we can start to see what's happening, right? And if I change this to start, it will be the left side and right side start on this, And we can also do space around. And space between. And also space evenly. Okay, so that's aligning the grid itself, aligning items within individual cells, and then providing overrides for individual cell items. Okay.